Hi guys, we're here right now. I'm going to show you how to check resistance on ignition coil and some spark plug wires. Show you how we can check to see if we have any open circuits. So I've got my meter set up on the black coming up here. Let me turn this back on, the backlit. For the black we're going to COM jack, and the red lead is going to go to the volt ohm jack. I already have it set up on ohms right here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and touch the leads together, make sure my meter is working. And I've got 4/10 of an ohm, which is good. Go to the secondary side of the ignition coil. If I go across here and touch this, I've got 12.14 kilo ohms. It's pretty high, which is pretty good. Normally should be about 800 ohms. I mean 8,000 ohms. So it's a little bit higher. Coming to check the primary side, next there's 4 wires on 4 prongs here sticking in here. So we want to carefully don't touch the probes with your fingers, because then you'll get a reading like you see that right there. So that's why you got to go behind here. I'll go here, check on 2 terminals on the primary side. I've got 1.5 ohms. Come over here. .4 ohms. Let me put this back on again. Got my backlit display here. Then I come across here, 0.8. Uh-oh, I got an OL. Okay, that's not good. It's got a bad terminal on the primary side, so that indicates a bad ignition coil assembly, and that's what this is right here. That's why it's here. Let me get a spark plug wire real quick and show you this. Another way we can check out, especially on these type of ignition systems, the DIS system, if we hook up, and we can check out spark plug wires on this end, and I've got 8.89 ohms, kilo ohms. So if I rotate it, if I have an intermittent open, which causes a misfire, that would go to OL. So that's good right there. Let me grab this other wire, another one that I have in here. I'll get this set up and hooked up, like so. Turn my light on. Okay, so I've got 600, wait, where'd it go? 6,000, rotate it. Uh-oh. And moving it around, you can see it's got an intermittent connection. So this is a bad wire. This is an open wire, and that's why it's here. So this actually was a vehicle, a friend of mine's vehicle that I replaced ignition coil and wire assembly because of the fact that we had a problem with the primary side of the circuit. 2 terminals were not showing too good. And then we had an open wire, which caused a misfire, which burned out the coil packing module assembly on this particular vehicle right here. So that's how we check out for opens, checking resistance. I will do another video on voltage checks coming up pretty soon. Guys, be safe.